Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another review. This shoe is actually not mine. I looked out for a homeboy of mine. He wanted a pair. This was actually one of the last purchases I got on the swoosh discount. So I would have hooked him up because he said he wanted these shoes. For me, I wasn't a fan of them. The one I wanted, of course, was a What the Lebron. I struck out. So, but he wanted these, so I went ahead and looked out for him. Probably, sure you guys have probably seen these in store by now, but I just wanted to do a review on them. As you can see here, the box has the Lebron on it. It's the Lebron 16. So let's check these out real quick. That red Air Max bubble, man. They pretty cool. They're not for me. I'm not really a big fan of this particular colorway, but it's a nice shoe. It's just not for me. It has the lion on the back of the shoe, if you can see that with the eyes, and of course it has the LeBron James logo on the tongue. Then here on the tab on the back, it says LeBron here, if you can see that. It comes around and it says LeBron. Retail on this shoe is, how much was retail? Retail is $185. Of course, like I said, I had the swoosh account at the time, and I got this shoe for $111 with tax like $120 or something like that for him. Overall dope shoe. Like I said, it's dope. This is not for me. I don't care for this colorway, but the design is dope. I saw him in the game last night. He had on a pair of look like the ash color that he had on the 15s. Now those are hard. Now I'll definitely take a look at those, but like I said, these are not for me. Nice shoe, just not for me. Cool overall. Like I said, it probably has some comfort to it. It has the knit material here at the top. If you like the review, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the page. Like I said, I just wanted to kind of do a brief little overview of the shoe. And that's about it, man. I know these last couple of days I've been pumping releases out, videos out like crazy. So, you know, I'm just getting it in. So, till the next release, actually, I might have some coming in this week. A couple of pairs to review this week, actually. Yep, for sure. I know Wednesday for sure. But we'll see what I get. So, until then, y'all be cool.